Onion juice is rich in vitamin C, B6, and folic acid and also has an extensive supply of calcium, magnesium, iron, chromium and phosphorus. The trace amounts of sulfur present in the onion are considered to have anti-carcinogenic properties. Chromium helps to reduce the blood sugar level. It is also recommended for anemic patients. Let's have a quick glimpse at the incredible health benefits of onion juice. Benefits of onion juice: improves digestion. Onions are a good supply of inulin, a dietary fiber that is a good food source for the healthy bacteria present in the intestines. Inulin promotes a healthy bowel movement and keeps the healthy bacteria at a safe level, which thereby increases digestion. Protect against allergies. The natural antihistamine quercetin, present in onions, prevents asthma and allergies. Remedy for cold and respiratory disorder. The expectorant properties of the onion help in treating cold and other respiratory disorders. The volatile oil present in the onion dislodges the mucus and prevents its fresh formation. It has been used for centuries to heal coughs, bronchitis, congestion, and metabolism infections. Raw onions are recommended to fight off colds. Maintains bone health. Onions are used to maintain a healthy bone system. Recent studies have shown that they contain a compound that prevents excessive bone loss. It is especially useful for women who go through menopause and are at a greater risk of osteoporosis. Onion juice for hair growth. Onion juice good for hair in many ways. Onion contains trace amounts of sulfur, which is one of the essential nutrients in promoting hair growth. Fights cancer. Onion is made up of exceedingly different types of sulfides, which offer protection against neoplasm growth. The regular consumption of onions reduces the risk of many cancers like esophageal cancer, renal cell cancer, breast cancer, prostate cancer, and laryngeal cancer. Prevents oral infection. The bactericidal properties of the onion prevent oral infection and tooth decay. Researchers have confirmed that chewing a raw onion for 3 minutes is sufficient to kill all the germs in the mouth. In addition, toothache is allayed by placing a piece of onion on the aching tooth.